Hi guys, I made a video on a Nidec 24H motor for all microcontrollers, but I just wanted to make a second part just for the Nano and really go into detail so you guys fully understand it. Now, I recommend you watch the first video first because that will walk you through the pins. I'm just going to get straight into what connections to make and then the code, which is actually exactly the same as the code in the other video. And I'll show you it working here. So we've got the PWM pin connected to D3. That must be connected to one of the PWM supported pins on the Nano, which I'll show here. Then we have the direction pin, which can be connected to any data pin. I've connected it for D2. The second ground pin, this is actually the wrong way around. Imagine this was flipped. That would be the second ground pin, just grounding up to the Nano. Then we have the first ground pin, which goes to this 12 volt supply I'm using, which is actually my main project. So it's a bit messy, but you can use any 12 volt supply. And this is using a 1000 milliamp battery. And then I've soldered the connection for the second live to the start/stop. Now all I want to do is I've turned on the 12 volt supply. I plug in this to act as a 5 volt supply for the Arduino Nano, but obviously you can use the voltage in pins, which I hope you're aware of. If not, search them up. And this, you have to push quite hard to get that all the way in. So I don't have the PWM, the ground connected. But this is still powered by the 12 volt supply. And if you just feel it, you should feel a bit of torque on it. That indicates to you, as an indicator that the motor is live, but it's not getting the correct PWM, or one of the pins isn't connected correctly. But I connect PWM to D3 and ground to ground. And there you go. This is spinning clockwise as the direction pin is right now actively at high. And if you were to set the direction pin, the green pin, to low, then it would be counterclockwise.